Here's how to fix Riot Client, no internet found. First, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open it, then click on the View by drop-down menu in the top right corner and select Large Icons. Now, click on Network and Sharing Center. Find your current internet connection and click on it. Next, select Properties. Then find Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 1111 as the preferred DNS server and 1001 as the alternate DNS server. Then, click OK and close the remaining windows. After that, open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, enter the command IP config space /flushdns and press Enter. Then type net sh winsock reset and press Enter. Once you've completed these commands, restart your computer. After restarting, open the Riot Client and check if the connection issue has been resolved. If you're still unable to connect, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Select Network and Internet, then find the option for View Network Settings. From there, select Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm by selecting Yes. Once the reset is complete, restart your computer again. After your computer starts back up, check the Riot Client to see if the network problem has been fixed. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.